Welcome to 3513 Hoover Street, Redwood City. This beautifully remodeled home centrally located on the peninsula with easy access to Silicon Valley, San Francisco, shopping, and so much more. When you approach this home, you are welcomed by beautiful mature landscaping and an inviting front porch. As you walk through the front door, you are greeted by a light-filled open floor plan with gleaming hardwood floors and punctuated with quality throughout. This wonderful open living area is ideal for family gatherings, highlighted by a large dining area, loads of living space, and seamless integration into the stunningly remodeled kitchen. This versatile floor plan offers abundant opportunities for entertainment, relaxation, and family gatherings. This remarkable chef's kitchen boasts cherry wood cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a professional-grade 6-burner gas range. This kitchen offers a perfect balance of both beauty and extreme functionality. It is a hallmark of this home and is sure not to disappoint. The bedroom wing includes 3 bedrooms, as well as a separate dedicated office. This first bedroom features French doors with access to the backyard. This bathroom is punctuated with exquisite tile work and quality finishes throughout. Notice the gleaming hardwood floors continue into the bedroom wing and the separate dedicated office, which provides privacy for those who work at home. In addition, this area includes a large walk-in closet. This master bedroom sanctuary includes a large walk-in closet, as well as a separate bonus space. Ideally configured for use as a private sitting area, nursery, or additional home office. This spa-like master bathroom features a large jetted soaking tub and separate stall shower. This spacious backyard with mature landscaping, including an abundance of fruit-bearing trees, offers loads of privacy and serenity. Creatively designed to incorporate areas for relaxation, entertainment, and play. This yard provides an ideal refuge and greatly augments the livability of the home and provides for a California living at its very finest.